Eto na, UAAP Finals rematch sa pagitan ng Lasal versus UP. Matinding big man matchup ni Gani Stevens at Luis Pablo. Nagdomina sa ilalim.
The born winner. Oh, good seal there!
Wow! But Baila against... Ooh! Good stop by Pablo.
Commentator, 4 years pa lang.
Oh, Steven. Magkalaban sila. Naranasan mo na ba yun as a player? Maga, inside, Gani, Stevens, off the glass.
At ang point guard matchup nina Ray Remogat at Jacob Cortez. Nagpamalas ng kanilang mga skills sa court.
Tintin 1080p, ano ba ba?
Sobra po.
4,000K, ano ba?
4K. Mars for 3, that's good. Cortez against Remogat. And one. Wow, Noy Remogat. Take it slowly. Jake.
Sobrang intense ng game at nagkainitan pa sa fourth quarter. Tara at panoodin natin ang full game highlights mga ka-big time.
Step back and kiss myself. Big time plays, big time plays.
National Basketball Tournament para po sa 25th araw.
Biin ninyo sa Canadian coach Paul Oven. First game for both players. Kanina itong Baila and Remogat. Hindi
10 seconds on the clock. Off the screen for Gani. Payosing escapes and scores. It is 4-0. Red Lions, the pride of Davao. Abadam with a fake. Uses his extra step for the first 2 points.
one of the heroes on the last year UAAP finals.
Stephen Gani with a defensive rebound. Noy Remogat scans the floor. Jacob Baila, long 2. That's good for 2.
Nino especially, you have Gani and VJ Play who can demand a double team.
Wow, Jacob Cortez powering his way, bumping against Payosing. Pinadaan sa likod si Makalalag, over the head pass, stolen away by Earl Abadam. Cortez against Remogat. And one for Jacob Cortez. Nahuli.
Twice, Jacob Cortez, the son of Mike Cortez, the cool cat.
The cool ka. Lasal, nag-champion ka agad.
Oh, you know, a born winner. Oh, good seal there.
Wow! But andun yung putback coming from Gani Stevens.
Good matchup there, Nino. Itong Stevens and Luis Pablo.
Jacob Baila on the other side with a steal and a spin to score. Abadam open. Bakit ka naman hindi?
When yeah, we haven't seen so far. Baka ngayon.
Here comes Makalalag. Goes inside. Goes to his strong side. Baila kicks out. BJ Pre. Long 2. Rattles out. Rebound. Andito napulot. Payosing. 4 points na for James.
So far,
So one time, darating yung araw na magiging magkalaban sila. Naranasan mo na ba yun as a player?
oh, siyempre galing ka sa probinsya, coach.
The drive, Kines. That's good for one-hander.
You know, Kines.
Pasensya na din sa mga nagchat-chat sa amin, no? Medyo mahina lang yung data dito as Briones knocks down. Yun yung malakas.
Wala na. He needs to really be a leader of this team, but so far so good for Chico Briones.
3 years ago.
Ni-recruit ko nga yan sa San Carlos. Sabi niya, Coach, I will try first sa Manila. Dalawa yan na naglaro.
Balik ulit sa kanya. Remogat for 2. Oh, put back by Iniges.
Pag 10 years na sa college, he stopped for 3 years working sa Manila. Commentator, 4 years pa lang.
Oh, Gani Stevens with a one-hand. Here comes Pablo.
Oh, pag
Finds
layup
an
na
open
yun
teammate. Pero grabe yung tiwala nila. Siyempre, sino yung bukas? At Noy Remogat. Fires for 3. That's good for Noy Remogat.
You know, and credit to Rainer Maga. We all seen this guy how he really play hard.
Oo. Baila against... Ooh! Good stop by Pablo, but andun pa rin itong si Baila. Calls for a screen, 5 seconds to shoot. Maga inside, Gani Stevens off the glass.
Rainer Maga, what a
Natin nasa 10. Crossover, fake, Extra step off the glass. Masyadong mahina. Agawa ng rebound. BJ Pre. That's a two-pointer.
Aside yung UP.
Rimogat
Ooh,
goes
what a
inside
pass
to Pre.
there. Kapwa FSA nagbabantayan.
Bola for Abadam. Matik na yan. For Earl Abadam yung pangalan mo. Asking for Odudu. Baila spins, fires. That's good for two.
Baila.
Coach, to open up this quarter, batiin natin yung mga nanonood sa atin. Eman Calo, scouting sa U. Yung Eman Calo, elementary pa lang kami. Eman Calo na yun.
Ito na lang pag-usapan natin. Naglaro pa kami
Chi,
ng
Abastas, nabilid sa Cebu.
basta mga maldito. Illinois.
Aris kagad yung kanyang pinukol.
Yes, this kind of 5'4", the Green Archers Nino, medyo maliit to but mabilis. With Abadam playing 4,
Masyadong malakas.
malas pa rin. Still a good drive there as Makalalag. In and out there. This is
Briones rattles out. Secured by Gani Stevens. Jacob Baila with a touchdown.
what a pass there.
Cruz Arnado sa mga taga-Tabuelan tsaka sa mga relatives ko dyan sa Tuburan, Cebu. Wow, what a pass coming from Ray Mogan.
One hand Cooper. Dapat matik na yan. Oh, good pass
Wow.
again.
Gani Stevens.
In the first half, parang 1080p. Ano pa ba?
Sobra pa.
4,000K. Ano ba?
4K.
As Jacob Cortez answering for
Yung kalamangan ng UP that time.
Oh, talking about defense, ito papasok na si Giliana mamaya. As Ray Rimogan, well, Nino, because of the rotation, medyo short lang talaga sila. Without Kian Baclaan, nahirapan. As Puyos with the
Medyo limited minutes for this ball game against UP. Big Mo! With the end one opportunity. Miss shot stolen away by Jacob Baila. Poyos all day. Poyos scores!
what a good defense there. Just to make the game closer on the fourth quarter.
Shot clock winding down. Baila, libreng-libre. Odudo. And that's a two-pointer. Under 2 minutes, Jacob Baila grabs it. Odudu makes it a high arcing. A handoff. Floater for Kinish. That is 66 for 4. Oh, big shot for Rainer Maga. Suddenly, nagka-teammate ulit sila.
Oo nga, sayang yun yung tatlo eh. Stevens, Rimogat, and Maga umalis eh. That have could been.
Tsaka Welulingo-lingo.
Oo, simple nandun pa.
Oh, sayang kung nagsabay yung
Kaya
apat.
imagine mo na.
Di ba?
Could be in a good UE lineup.
So, may kiskisan dito. Fourth quarter dito. Oh, that's Steven Gagate. Here comes Jacob. Goes to the other side. Makalalag, grabs it to Gagate. That's a high arc shot.
Steven, shout out to his family too.
Wow, Noy Remogat.
What a move there by Ray.
Tagal ko na ding nasa DLSU, kaya kabisado ko din yung sistema dito. Yung ganitong classic knowledge is definitely my advantage today. Dagdag ni 7.
And I'm praying for him na sana this year, for Steven, na mabigyan or makuha niya na yung spotlight na kanyang
Ito, they will have a ball game.
just, you know, take it slowly as Jacob Cortez finally naisigaw niya na yung
Alam ko, sabi mo, Coach Kim,
Wow.
wala akong shooting, but then again,
Steven. And, you know, Remogat,
oh, good block there by Luis Pablo.
but BJ Pre still
For the Green Archers.
solid ka pre. As Amos back to back for Mason Amos. BJ Pre, James Payosing on in attack mode.
Alam ko anong nasa isip ng mga
By Gani to the wrong guy. Makalalag stops. Fires and scores!
Makala.
James Payosing. Cortez fires. Misses. Rebound. Abadam. The one-hander is good. The lead is down to 8. Pressure cooking time for DLSU as Cortez with a contra-tempo. 20 seconds. Amos. Hit check for Amos. Rebound. The tap goes to Gani Stevens. And that's Amos. Gives it to Amos. Fires for 3. Too strong. Abadam. Another opportunity for LaSalle. Miss shot again. Amos. What a tap to Marasigan. Free throws for Maga to seal the win here for UP Fighting. Exposure of UP Fighting Maroons. Alam nilang magtatrap na. DLSU. Nice stop by James Payosing. The layup. Gani Stevens. Nilabas pa. And ito na nga. Congratulations to UP Fighting Maroons for winning against DLSU Green Archers. UP, they are 1-1, while DLSU
You don't like NBA basketball!